Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NECA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance easier to see, but most importantly, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very, very nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was not that long ago to where it ultimately closed right there, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a good, solid move. But that does lead into the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at 0003. Why is 0003 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 0003. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out from. So I mean, the price had been stuck in that channel for a very long time and finally got the breakout today. So yeah, the last thing you want to see is the price to go back down, below it and go, back to where it all started. Whereas let's say there's a pullback. I'm not saying this will happen, but just for example's sake, let's say the price does something like this and then heads up. What would you have in this scenario? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this base of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the phrase make progress as 0003. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, not really the top priority, in my opinion. Top priority is just going through healthy consolidations. But without question, up there at 0006, you can see several times the price try to get up through there and hasn't been able to do it. So that is public enemy number one going into tomorrow and Friday. But all in all, top priority, like I said, in my opinion, not breaking levels of support, but rather going through healthy consolidation and building higher bases. So we'll see what the bulls have in store for tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.